Hey, if you want to give or get a great massage, keep watching. My name is Rich Poley. I wrote the book Self-Massage for Athletes. Today, Tom and I will teach you a new way to feel about yourself with a press and roll self-massage stroke. Get ready to learn something you can use anywhere, anytime. By the end of this video, you will know how to make yourself feel better fast using your hands and your head. This is the 5th of a 6-part series. It's a learn by doing video. So while you view it, do it. Let's get started. There are 7 strokes to a brilliant massage. Pressing and rolling is the 5th. It's your most powerful stroke. It delivers an intoxicating deep tissue massage. And it's as simple as pressing and rolling. Do it anywhere on your beautiful body that needs relief. Pressing and rolling is the straw that stirs the drink, the endorphin cocktail of natural chemicals your body makes to help you feel better fast. Dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin, anandamide, and endogenous morphine. That is why this stroke is such an effective pain reliever. Are you ready to try it? Let's do it. Just follow along with Tamra pressing and rolling into your thigh. It's as easy as it looks. Use your finger. Use your fist. Use your palm. Now try the side of your hand. And yeah, use your elbow. Hey, that was nice. Now let's try something completely different. A neck massage using the press and roll stroke. Get out your hands and follow along with Tamara. Gently press and roll your thumbs on your neck. Vary place, vary intensity, and vary speed. Now try pressing and rolling your fingers into your neck. Use 5 fingers, or 4, or 3, or 2, or 1. Stay relaxed and experiment by moving your neck. Relax even more. Let your neck melt into your fingertips. Now, how's it feeling? Okay, switch to your fists, pressing and rolling them into your neck while staying relaxed and varying place and intensity. Still using your fists, slow your press and roll stroke way down. Now pressing very lightly, pick up the pace like Tamra. Now move your fingers to the back of your neck. Roll your neck as you press and roll your fingers. Stop what you're doing, quiet your hands, and breathe. 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 It's time to relax and notice how good you feel. Think about what you learned today. You learned more than just how to press and roll your fingers into your body. You learned a massage stroke to help you feel better fast and change the way you feel about yourself. This is the 5th of a 6-part video series. It's based on the book Self-Massage for Athletes, which introduced a new kind of self-massage. It's not your parents' self-massage, it's self-massage for your whole body. It's not assisted massage like you find in spas. It's do-it-yourself massage It's active, not passive. It empowers you and teaches you about yourself. It's easy to learn and simple to do. It challenges, stretches, and exercises you. It helps you relieve pain in a new, more effective way. To learn more about this new kind of self-massage, check out our website at selfmassage.com. And thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button below to let us know, and subscribe to feel better fast. Self-massage, it's not just for cheapskates anymore.